Sinbad Motor possesses advanced domestic production and testing equipment, including servo presses, hydraulic shaping machines, automatic dispensing machines, automatic cutting and balancing machines, automatic winding machines, aging test stands, motor live test benches, two-dimensional optical measuring instruments, salt spray test machines, programmable constant temperature and humidity test chambers, noise test rooms, etc. Our products are widely utilized in numerous high-tech fields, such as robotics, drones, medical devices, automobiles, information and communication technology, aviation models, power tools, beauty devices, precision instruments, and the military industry. Sinbad Motor builds China's motor industry leader to provide new and repeat customers with good quality products and services. Deep technical accumulation and business experience, strong talent team, and increasingly perfect company system, so that the company in a very short period of time has obtained many remarkable qualifications, successfully applied for 6 utility model patents.